Oke, mulai.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today we will discuss about a few things, but before that, allow me to introduce my friends in today's discussion. The first is Miftahul Jannah, and the second is Arbi Wahyudi. So I'm going to ask you a few questions. Then you will give your opinion about it. Okay, the first question is participating in group discussion will help the students to develop their cognitive and psychological skills. A. What do cognitive and psychological skills mean? Please explain your answer. And B. Do you agree with the statement above? Why? Explain your reasons.
Okay.
This question is answered by Miftahul Jannah.
Okay, I want to answer this question about number one. Number one is part A. The meaning of cognitive and psychological abilities is the ability to analyze, process, control emotion, and so on. According to Piaget theory, the cognitive is an internal process in the nerve center of the time humans thinks, where the psychological of cutting a theory major to namely science the studies human mental process analysis and memory structure, or as it were a memory to understand human behavior. And part B, yes, I agree with that. With the meaning of cognitive and psychology, because I think they come from inside the human body through the nerves, so that humans can think and express emotion or expression, and for that psychological itself about a person's mental environment, because last semester also I learned about the psychology and content of his material about your behavior. I think that.
Okay, Miftahul Jannah, thank you for your answer. It's a good answer. Okay, next, number two. How many skills will be developed by participating in group discussion? And please explain your understanding on the 5 skills.
Okay, answer number two, namely, one, skill to use language communication. Taking part in a group discussion will require the students to ask a variety of language functions to be able to discuss a certain topic to find out the best solution to the problem exists in the topic. Language function must be conveyed through a series of prayers that bring meaning from the student's minds. This is called include process for functions such as giving a reason, giving your opinion, agreeing and disagree. The more the students familiars themselves to ask the language functions, the better they mastery in them. Number two, skills to analyze. In group discussion, the students are given a particular topic containing one or more problems that have to be resolved. Through their problems, the students can develop their analysis skill by making effort to brainstorm or mind map of the possible solutions to the problems they could speak about. Number three, skill to pursuits and confines. When a group of students are involved in group discussions, they will automatically share opinions to solve a particular problem in a given topic.
Okay, the next question is number 3. What do you know of problem-based group discussion? Explain your answer. This question is answered by Adi Wahyudi.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Let me answer question number 3. I think problem-based group discussion is a learning approach that uses real-world problems as a context for students to learn about critical thinking and problem-solving skills, as well as to acquire essential knowledge and concept from subject matter, problems that are authentic and meaningful to students who can serve as stepping stones for investigation and inquiry. I think that.
Okay, thank you, Adi. Good job. The next question is number 4. What do you know of topical-based group discussion? Please explain your answer, and this question is answered by Adi Wahyudi.
Okay, my answer is the topic group discussion can be defined as activities where a small number of people meet in a person and freely exchange and share ideas or try to come a reasonable decision about a particular theme. Participants present ideas, solve problems, and provide comments. I think that.
Okay, thank you, Barbie.
Okay, I wanna read this question number 5 and 6. This question will answer by Fadia Paradiba. Okay, number 5 is, what do you know of article-based group discussion? Explain your answer, please.
Okay, this type of discussion is usually carried out by people who are already proficient and understand a lot about group discussion. This discussion model requires each member to look for articles independently, then start discussing them together. The articles they choose are also not just articles, but articles that are interesting and controversial. Members seek articles from various sources, and this helps them to seek new and broader insight on current issue. After that, they read and look for problems contained in that article, about what the problems and they will discuss about it. Then they try to give their opinion in dealing with and find solution in solving it.
Okay, thank you for answering. Okay, number 6, the question is, which one is the most variable to you? Explain your position and why you choose that.
Okay, I think I choose a problem-based discussion group because, in my opinion, this kind of discussion model is very effective. By give the topic or problem to be discuss it first, and it will make the members prepare themselves and their own opinions, and will make them understand more. By giving a certain topic or problem, it will make it easier for discussion to interest in conveying their opinion, in order to create a mutually agreed solution in solving the problem. With a discussion model like this, our ability to analyze a problem also increases. Discussion with a model like this also make us think critically and seek appropriate suggestion and solutions. Maybe that's all from me.
This is our video from group 3. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You're welcome. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.